My name is Omar. I work for Superhairpieces now. I have been in a stylist for 40 years. As you can see, I'm doing some hair now for a hair unit for a customer that is coming to pick it up this afternoon. Is a good solution for somebody that have certain problem with hair loss. It gives you the possibility to actually get more confidence because you will get an instant result. Once you come, you don't have the hair, we put the hair on, it's your hair. You can do the sport, you can do everything you want, and the hair is there. And that's what we are here for. In the past, I have wear a system, and I feel that I feel myself more confident, and I think that I look younger. In the near future, I'm going to be wearing a system. It's going to be one of the systems that we have that is a skin system. It's a membrane that when you apply in the hair is so invisible. It's like the hair that they use in the movies. I will have to be wearing something with gray hair to match my own hair, and that's what is coming next chapter, okay? Definitely. If you have the desire to look better, for sure. If you want to have more confidence, because people look better with hair, that's the truth. As a hairstylist, our job is to make the people look better. And if you come to us and you say, well, this is what I want to look, I want this haircut, this is how I want to look. Things like that you have to educate the customer. Educate them how to, let's say, take care of the hair in the way the system lasts. Convince the customer what that looks better on them. They actually give you a very positive feedback. 98% of the time, the customer will agree with what us, the hairstylist, suggest. So if this has to do with hair, you leave that job to us. We're going to recommend what is best for you. We invite you to come here. We can give you a consultation. We have 8 locations in Toronto. We are here to make you look better.